Hello and welcome to day 5 of your spoken English training. Today we're focusing on shopping. 100 phrases you can use in stores, markets, malls, and when shopping online. This is real English for real situations. Now, what is shadowing? It's simple. I say a phrase, you repeat it out loud. That's it. Don't just listen. Your mouth must move. Your voice must speak. This is not passive learning. This is active training. Here's how this video works. I will say each phrase clearly. Then I pause. That pause is for you. Say the phrase out loud. Then I'll repeat it at natural speed. You shadow me again. Every phrase twice. Your job is to speak, not think, not translate, just speak. Why shopping English? Because you use it everywhere. Buying food, choosing clothes, asking prices, paying, returning items. This is daily life English. Master these phrases and you'll feel confident every time you shop. One more thing. Don't worry about perfection. Worry about speaking. Your accent is fine. Your mistakes are fine. What matters is that you open your mouth and practice. Confidence comes from repetition. Fluency comes from speaking out loud. Are you ready? Find a quiet space. Turn up the volume and commit to speaking every single phrase. Let's build your shopping English together. Let's begin. Level 1. Easy. How much is this? How much is this? I like this one. I like this one. Can I see that? Can I see that? Where's the price? Where's the price? Is this on sale? Is this on sale? I'll take it. I'll take it. Do you have more? Do you have more? I need help. I need help. I'm just looking. I'm just looking. Can I try this? Can I try this? That's too expensive. That's too expensive. Do you accept cards? Do you accept cards? I want this color. I want this color. Where do I pay? Where do I pay? Is this the price? Is this the price? Great. Say it with me. I need a bag. I need a bag. Can I get a receipt? Can I get a receipt? I'll pay cash. I'll pay cash. Show me that one. Show me that one. I don't want it. I don't want it. This is perfect. This is perfect. Do you have black? Do you have black? I'm looking for shoes. I'm looking for shoes. Can you help me? Can you help me? That's a good price. That's a good price. Your brain learns by speaking. I want to buy this. I want to buy this. How much are these? How much are these? I need size medium. I need size medium. Is there a discount? Is there a discount? I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Can I pay here? Can I pay here? Do you have small? Do you have small? I need something cheaper. I need something cheaper. This looks nice. This looks nice. I'm ready to pay. I'm ready to pay. Mistakes are progress. Level 2. Normal. Can I get this in blue? Can I get this in blue? I'm looking for a gift. I'm looking for a gift. Do you have this in large? Do you have this in large? What's the total price? What's the total price? I'd like to return this. I'd like to return this. Can I exchange this item? Can I exchange this item? I bought this yesterday. I bought this yesterday. Is there a fitting room? Is there a fitting room? This doesn't fit me well. This doesn't fit me well. Could I see a different color? Could I see a different color? Say it with confidence. I prefer the other one. I prefer the other one. Do you have anything cheaper? Do you have anything cheaper? I need it for tomorrow. I need it for tomorrow. Can you check the price? Can you check the price? I'd like to compare them. I'd like to compare them. Which one do you recommend? Which one do you recommend? Does this come in other sizes? Does this come in other sizes? I'm not sure about this. I'm not sure about this. Can I think about it? Can I think about it? I'll come back later. I'll come back later. You're doing great. How long is the return policy? How long is the return policy? Do you offer free shipping? Do you offer free shipping? I need the receipt for this. I need the receipt for this. Can you wrap it as a gift? Can you wrap it as a gift? I'm staying within my budget. I'm staying within my budget. This is exactly what I wanted. This is exactly what I wanted. Is this your final price? Is this your final price? I saw this online for less. I saw this online for less. Do you price match? Do you price match? I need to check my wallet. I need to check my wallet. Keep going. You're improving. Can I use a credit card? Can I use a credit card? I'd like to pay in installments. I'd like to pay in installments. What's your refund policy? What's your refund policy? I bought the wrong size. I bought the wrong size. This item is damaged. This item is damaged. Level 3, boss. Level. I'm looking for something similar but less expensive. I'm looking for something similar but less expensive. Could you tell me the difference between these two? Could you tell me the difference between these two? I'd like to return this because it doesn't work. I'd like to return this because it doesn't work. Do you have this in stock right now? Do you have this in stock right now? I'm interested, but I need to check the reviews first. I'm interested, but I need to check the reviews first. Is it possible to get a discount if I buy two? Is it possible to get a discount if I buy two? Confidence comes from repetition. I'm sorry, but this isn't what I was looking for. I'm sorry, but this isn't what I was looking for. Can I speak to someone about a refund? Can I speak to someone about a refund? I'd prefer to pay with cash if that's okay. I'd prefer to pay with cash if that's okay. I really like the design, but the price is too high. I really like the design, but the price is too high. Could you hold this for me while I look around? Could you hold this for me while I look around? I'm trying to decide between the red and the black. I'm trying to decide between the red and the black. You're speaking real English now. Does this price include tax or is it extra? Does this price include tax or is it extra? I need to return this, but I lost the receipt. I need to return this, but I lost the receipt. Can you recommend something good for that price range? Can you recommend something good for that price range? I'd like to exchange this for a different style. I'd like to exchange this for a different style. Is there any way you could lower the price a bit? Is there any way you could lower the price a bit? I saw this same item cheaper at another store. I saw this same item cheaper at another store. This is a great deal. I'll definitely take it. This is a great deal. I'll definitely take it. Say it like you mean it. I changed my mind. I don't think I need it. I changed my mind. I don't think I need it. How much would it cost to ship this internationally? How much would it cost to ship this internationally? I'm happy with this purchase. Thank you so much. I'm happy with this purchase. Thank you so much. Can I get a discount if I pay in cash today? Can I get a discount if I pay in cash today? I've been looking for this everywhere. I'm so glad you have it. I've been looking for this everywhere. I'm so glad you have it. I'd like to buy this, but only if you can deliver it tomorrow. I'd like to buy this, but only if you can deliver it tomorrow. I appreciate your help, but I think I'll keep looking. I appreciate your help, but I think I'll keep looking. Do you offer any warranty or guarantee with this product? Do you offer any warranty or guarantee with this product? I need something that fits my budget and my style. I need something that fits my budget and my style. I'm very satisfied. This is exactly what I needed. I'm very satisfied. This is exactly what I needed. Congratulations! You just practiced 100 shopping phrases in English. You didn't just listen. You spoke. And that makes all the difference. This is day 5 of your journey. Every time you practice, your mouth gets faster, your confidence gets stronger, your English becomes more natural. Here's what I want you to do. Come back to this video tomorrow. Repeat the phrases again. Your brain needs repetition. Your muscles need training. Fluency is built through daily practice. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. Keep speaking. Keep shadowing. Keep building your voice in English. You're doing amazing work. I'm proud of you. See you in the next training session. Keep going.